If your Vizio TV power light is blinking, white or red, and the TV won't turn on, don't panic. Let me walk you through the fixes that actually work, step by step. These fixes work only if the issue is software related or a minor power glitch, not a hardware failure. Keep that in mind as we go. This first fix is very important. Even though other tech guys have explained it, I still advise you to go through it, alright? First, unplug your Vizio TV from the wall. If it's connected to a power strip, surge protector, or smart plug, remove it completely. Wait 10 seconds before plugging the TV directly into a wall outlet. You'll probably notice the power light is still blinking. That's normal. Don't touch anything yet, just wait about 2 minutes. You may notice the blinking slow down, and, eventually, the light should stop completely. Once it stops, press the power button on the TV itself, usually located under the logo or near the power light. Give it a few seconds. If the Vizio logo appears, your TV is back on. Next fix. If the blinking continues, unplug the TV again. While it's unplugged, press and hold the TV's power button for 30 seconds. This drains leftover electrical charge that can cause startup issues. Next, unplug all HDMI devices, streaming sticks, consoles, soundbars, everything. Now, plug the TV directly into the wall outlet again and try turning it on. If the TV turns on, reconnect the HDMI device cables one by one to see which one is causing the problem. Next fix. If that didn't work, let's rule out power problems. Plug the TV straight into a different wall socket, preferably on another side of the room. Now inspect the power cable. No bends, knots, or damage. Connector should be clean. No dust or corrosion. If you have another compatible power cable, try swapping it. Last fix. If your Vizio TV has manual buttons on the back or side, try this reset. Locate the volume down and input buttons. Press and hold both buttons together for 15 seconds, then release the volume down button, but keep holding the input button for another 10 seconds. After releasing, wait a few moments and try powering the TV on. This manual reset often clears deeper software glitches. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment which fix worked so it helps others too.